नमस्कार सर्वांना. आज आपण डेली यूजसाठी ब्रासो प्रिंट शिफॉन साडी कलेक्शन पाहणार आहोत. व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत नक्की पहा.
That girl is a runner, she was born to get away. Hear that two-tone humming, headed out to the highway. I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust. But after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like a hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave. In the summer, man, it feels like yesterday.
तुम्हाला या साड्या ऑर्डर करायच्या असेल तर काही साड्यांची लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये दिली आहे. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.